Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to know food calories. Understanding the energy content of your food is a fundamental step towards a balanced diet and achieving your health goals. Calories are simply units of energy that your body uses to function, from breathing to exercising. Every food item contains a certain number of these energy units, and learning to identify them empowers you to make informed choices about what you consume daily. Finding calorie information is easier than you might think with several readily available resources. For packaged foods, the nutrition label is your best friend, clearly listing calorie counts per serving. When it comes to fresh produce, meats, or restaurant dishes, numerous reputable online databases and food tracking apps can provide accurate estimates. These tools often have extensive libraries, making it simple to look up almost any food item you encounter. Calories come from the three main macronutrients: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. It's important to know their energy density. Both protein and carbohydrates provide about 4 calories for every 1 gram. However, fats are significantly more energy dense, contributing 9 calories per gram. Additionally, alcohol, often overlooked, provides 7 calories per gram. Understanding these differences helps you grasp why certain foods have higher calorie counts than others. Applying your calorie knowledge effectively involves a few practical tips. Firstly, mastering portion control is key. Even healthy foods can contribute to excess calories if consumed in large quantities. Secondly, cooking at home allows you to precisely measure ingredients and avoid hidden fats or sugars. Lastly, remember that beverages and sauces can surprisingly add hundreds of calories without much satiety, so choose wisely to stay on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.